to the world of the Crypto Bit Wiz. Today, we're talking about 9 crypto under $1 that could explode in this bull market. I've decided to show them to you in order of market capitalization from the largest to the smallest. Of course, if you're already investing in some of these crypto, let me know in the comments and also tell me if you think any other project that I didn't include would have fit well in this top. Let's start right away with the most capitalized XRP with $31 billion. At the moment, we're at around 58 cents per token, and this price coincides with the highs or prices of October 2018 and December 2020. We already know that XRP had difficulties in the previous bull market because of the lawsuit against the SEC, but at the moment it seems to have finally come out of it as a winner. To contextualize, the hostilities between Ripple and the SEC began in December 2020 when the government agency filed a lawsuit against Garlinghouse and Larsen, as well as the company itself, largely due to the sale of XRP tokens. But finally, Ripple CEO Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Larsen were completely cleared of all previously raised charges. According to Cryptopolitan, XRP will not reach $5 until 2029. What do you think? Remember that XRP reached $3, so its peak in 2018 with a market cap of $128 billion and a circulating supply of about 40%. Today, however, this supply has increased over time and is at 53%. It will naturally continue to increase until it reaches 100%. So it will be more difficult to see the same price reached for the 6th market capitalization. The price will be a bit lower. Personally, I expect XRP to far exceed the $128 billion market cap today. To understand, it will capitalize more than Disney, which for many is on the verge of bankruptcy. In fact, it has lost 60% from 2021 to date. Let's move on to the next one. With a market capitalization of $9.5 billion and an 8-cent price per token, we have Dogecoin. You might laugh, but hear what I have to say. The founding father Elon Musk has long been considered a real ace in the hole for this cryptocurrency. It's clear that his support for Bitcoin also extends to Dogecoin. He said so himself on several occasions. Elon Musk is involved in a legal controversy related to Dogecoin, and the lawsuit is for a significant amount, namely $258 billion. We know that Elon Musk has been a bit too supportive, perhaps even causing pumps in the token, and we all saw what his tweet was capable of in the last bull market. However, many doubt that Elon Musk will really have to pay or shell out such a colossal sum. After all, Elon Musk is worth around $200 billion, a little more. This fine or lawsuit is greater than what the richest man in the world is worth, or we're close to it, so I want to include Dogecoin on this list, even with a bit of a speculative pinch, especially due to the fact that Elon Musk could win the case, and as a result, we could see a nice pump on Dogecoin. Finally, let's move on to the last project in the top 10, because we need to see something a little spicier than just the top 10 that everyone already knows. So let's take a look at Tron with $8.6 billion in market cap. Tron has become the leading blockchain platform since the beginning of the year, even surpassing Binance Chain. At the moment, it is recognized among the top 10 blockchains for TVL, total value locked, with the highest value, of course, and is positioned alongside Ethereum. So it is definitely an important milestone that many people may not yet be aware of. After all, what do we use the Tron blockchain for? Sure, we might use it for DeFi, but practically all of us use Tron when we need to deposit cryptocurrencies or send them between exchanges. It's the fastest and most affordable. In fact, the token exchange activity on Tron is distinguished by its stability, surpassing any other blockchain in this sector. Transactions on Tron since the beginning of the year represent 49% of weekly active addresses. That's a lot. And 37% of transactions plus 35% of the total volume. In 2021, Tron reached a maximum of 30 cents with a market capitalization of around $13 billion. Not much, but remember that there were fewer tokens, around 66 billion. Today there are 88 billion. So even in this case, with the same market capitalization, we will see a lower price. Personally, I expect Tron to be the heart of many stablecoins, seeing what it is doing and how these stablecoins are moving, which are related to currencies that exist in the world in various countries, but are not yet on the chain, and probably also of many CBDCs. This could see the token volume skyrocket. The next cryptocurrency, which is half the value of Cardano, has a market capitalization of $5.7 billion and a price of 75 cents per token. It is called Polygon, and it is the master of partnerships. It has established collaborations with Starbucks, eBay, Nike, Adidas, Reddit, Disney, and Adobe, just to name a few. This ability to engage with major brands and companies is certainly notable, and it could lead to increasing adoption of Polygon. Also, we know that Polygon is one of the main Layer 2 solutions that we use for Ethereum. It is more affordable and faster than Ethereum, even though some other Layer 2 solutions are emerging that may be even better. We'll see about that later. In addition, Polygon 2.0 is about to debut. This event or launch is expected to generate a lot of news about Polygon, which could reach the general public and increase the potential for adoption of Polygon. We also know that the token name will be converted from Matic to Pol. In 2021, Polygon reached a high of almost $3 with a market capitalization of $19 billion. This is still quite low, but it is worth noting that a company with that market capitalization today is Zoom, which has collapsed by 90% from its 2020 high. Let's move on to the next project, which is very small with a market capitalization of $1.7 billion. It is 18 times smaller than XRP, the first project we mentioned in this list. We are talking about HBAR or Hedera with 5 cents per token. HBR is emerging as an authentic example for DLT projects, distributed ledger technology, on how to build, govern, and manage a network. Trust in HBAR or Hedera is strengthened by the fact that many of the world's leading institutions are showing interest and involvement in this technology. Years ago, we also had Google's interest in HBAR. This is very interesting for many, but perhaps it goes unnoticed or is more quiet, as the project may be a bit smaller. According to a major HBAR supporter, these organizations would not invest their time and resources in a project without a future perspective. In fact, Hedera is destined to become a widely adopted technology in every sector worldwide, in my opinion. So this project is definitely not to be underestimated. The maximum was $6.8 billion of market cap and 3 cents per token. Let's move on to the next project, perhaps the most recent on this list. It has a market capitalization of $1.2 billion and a price of $1 per token. As long as it remains below $1, in my opinion, it could be very interesting to accumulate it for the long term. We are talking about Arbitrum, a new important Layer 2 on Ethereum. We have seen an ecosystem expand to different sectors, including play-to-earn games, DeFi, and derivative products. It is truly a project that, as soon as it was launched, had collaborations everywhere. In addition, we have a continuous influx of new projects that continue to connect to Arbitrum. This clearly demonstrates its status in the Ethereum Layer 2 space. The particularly interesting and recent aspect is that Arbitrum has raised $59 million. How? Because practically this sum was dedicated to airdrops. However, some people had a deadline to claim the airdrops. They forgot, didn't do it for whatever other reason, and these money went back into Arbitrum's pocket. So it has extra funds that it can dedicate to development and growth. We cannot yet make any predictions about Arbitrum. It has just been launched and we don't even have historical data. However, I expect to see good performance from this project. A specific target that I can expect is comfortably over $10 billion in market capitalization. That means having a token at around $10. Now let's talk about the first project with a market capitalization below $1 billion. It has a market capitalization of $856 million, a price of 13 cents per token, and we are talking about Algorand, a blockchain project that stands out for its emphasis on innovation and efficiency and is certainly distinguished by its scalability. Its technology allows for a high volume of transactions while also offering very fast confirmation times. In addition, Algorand is committed to a sustainable approach to blockchain. A great project on the list, not by importance but by capitalization, is Theta with $750 million market cap and 95 cents per token. Theta is a blockchain designed specifically for the video, media, and entertainment industry. Many people may not be fully aware of the real value of Theta and what this platform is capable of offering. In fact, most people today own a computer, a phone, a smart TV. Imagine being able to use these devices to earn Theta fuel and other tokens while you sleep. This is precisely the function of the Theta Edge node, which follows the download and performs various activities, including the distribution of video files, the training of artificial intelligence models, and much more. Launched in 2019, Theta has become a leading blockchain for video content and entertainment with over 3 million users in 149 countries and, of course, is supported by major global partners such as Samsung, Sony, and Google. So in this case, it is definitely not to be underestimated. We have reached about the top 50 with this cryptocurrency. Theta's goal in this case is to redefine the future of online entertainment. The 2021 maximum was around $13 billion with $15 per token. However, what is super interesting is the supply. In fact, the circulating supply of Theta is at 100%, and even in 2021, when it reached its maximum, it was at 100% or very close. This could mean that in the event of large capital inflows, or if Theta were to return to the same market cap, the price could be even higher than $15. So definitely very, very interesting. So these were the top cryptos under $1, but there are many other altcoins that I am watching and that I like, but obviously they are above $1. They may also have very different market caps. So let me know if you would like to see a top of other very interesting cryptocurrencies that could explode, but which obviously are not under $1. Maybe they are at $3, $5, $10, or who knows. And thank you very much for making it this far. Let me know in the comments which of these cryptocurrencies you are following or already investing in, or which other cryptocurrencies under $1 you would put in this top. I am the Crypto Bit Wiz. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any crypto updates and market news, and we'll see you next time. Bye.